We all want to make money online from home. If we Google how to make money online, there are lots of sites promising to provide online jobs. Many of these are just scams. So guys, today I am going to tell you some of the most effective ways to earn money online at home. Hey everyone, my name is Komal Sharma. Let's start the video. Here are some of the ways I make money along with my college studies. If you are trying to earn money online and need only small extra income less than $200, then PTC sites are the best way to start with. Here you need to click and read the advertisement for 10 to 30 seconds and get paid for each and every advertisement you view. There are many sites where you can register and make money by reading advertisement. All the sites are free and there is no investment at all. I am giving you only 4 100% genuine money giving sites which you can use to make money. Let's start. Number 1 is ClickSense. I like ClickSense more than any other PTC sites. I have earned a lot from this site. You will also need one Payza account because ClickSense pay through Payza. Second is Neobugs. It is the one of the best PTC sites in India and available for worldwide users. In Neobugs, you will have several ways to make money and you will get your payment instantly upon your request. There are many offers and lotteries too. Number 3 is PriceRebel, one of the top PTC sites for people who are looking for genuine and trusted paid-to-click sites. You can log in to your account to find multiple ways to earn cash from PriceRebel. You can check the available offers and tasks and complete them to get points. You can later convert these points to PayPal cash, gift cards, and rewards. Number 4 is PaidWords. PaidWord is a new website but growing very fast popularity in PTC world. But there is little trick in working with PaidWords. Once you join it, you need to view BAP advertisement and accumulate BAP points. Next day, your BAP points will be converted to paid advertisement, and after viewing these ads, you will get the cash. You can use your PayPal account to get the money. At last, some important points about PTC sites is there are thousands of PTC sites but most of them are fake. Only few sites are really trusted and paying their members, and ClickSense and Neobug are 2 sites which are powerful and paying their members without fail. If you want videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and share this videos to your relatives who want to earn money at home. And please comment me if you have any doubt related to this, and also comment if you want these videos in Hindi. Thank you.